In this video I'm going to show you how to unfriend someone on Discord. Now first what you want to do is open up your Discord app and find that somebody you want to unfriend. So click on the second icon on the left with this guy raising his guy, this icon right over here, and find that friend and click on them. If you see here, there's not an option to actually remove them, but if you click on these three icons at the top right, you can block, remove friend, add friend nickname, or copy username. Click on remove friend, and now they have been removed from your friends, and if you want you can add them back, or just you don't have to add them back. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you didn't, let me know what is the problem and I'll do my best to help you out.